Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, look, today our lecture number 4 is number 1 and topic 1.7 exercise 2 question number 3 and page number 18. Okay. Today I will solve the word problem which is taken from your book page number 18, 1.7 exercise 2 and question number 3. Okay, this is the question. Dear student, at first I will discuss with you a basic discussion about smaller than symbol, greater than symbol. Okay, look. You know this symbol, this is the greater than symbol. Okay, this is the greater than symbol. Right now, greater than. The name of this symbol is greater than symbol, and look, this is the smaller than symbol. Okay, this is the greater than symbol and this is the smaller than symbol. Okay, now look, suppose between these two numbers 8 is greater than 4. Okay, so you have to write like this way. That means this means 8 is greater than 4. Okay, similarly you can write this in converse way. Look, 8 greater than 4. Okay, how can you read this? You have to read like this, say 8 greater than 4 or 8 is greater than 4. This is called, how can we read this? 4 is smaller than 8. 4 is smaller than 8. That means 8 is the greater. Similarly, 8 is here greater. Okay. Now, let's solve the word problem. Look, please now look, read the question. This is the list of the population of some cities. Okay, you see, this is the city and this is the population. Okay, this is the city and this is the population. Now arrange these numbers from smaller to larger sequentially and answer which city has the largest population and which has the smallest population. Look, this is the name of this city. That means A city has the population 3,71,993. Name of the city B, it has population 24,56,891. Name of the city C, 37,04,231. Name of the city D, its population is 45,89,476. And the name of the city E, its population is 8,86,397. Okay, now our question is you have to arrange the population. Okay, you have to arrange the population. That means, and you have to arrange the population smaller to greater. Okay, smaller to greater. Then you have to find out which city has the largest population and which city has the smallest population. Okay. Now let's solve. Solution. We have to arrange the number. You see, among these population, which one is the smallest? You see, this is 3,71,000, and you see this is 24,56,000. 56,891. You see this is 8,86,397 and this is 45 lakh. So obviously 3,71,993 is the smallest population. So okay, we have right here. Then accept this population, which one is the smallest? You see 8,86,000. 8,86,000. So I have written here 8,86,397. Okay. Now accept 3,71,993 and 8,86,397. Accept these two population. Among these three, which one is the smallest? You see, this is 56,891. So I have written here. Then accept this. You see, 37 lakh. You see, 37 lakh 4,231. You see, 37 lakh 4,231. You know the ones, tens, hundred, thousands, hujud, lakh. Okay, that means 37 lakh 4,231. Okay, so I have written. And you see, which city has the biggest population? You see, this is 45 lakh. 45 lakh. So this is the biggest. That means 45 lakh 89,476. Okay, 45 lakh 89,476. Okay, look, you see, this is the smallest symbol, this is the smaller than symbol, this is the smaller than symbol, this is the smallest than symbol. That means 8,86,397 is bigger than 3,71,993. So I have written like this way. Similarly, the rest of the population I have written like this way. Okay. Now, arranging this number from smaller to greater, we got this. That means you have to put you have to reject this symbol now. You look, I have rejected this symbol. Then we got, I have written here comma. Okay. Similarly, you put this number. Okay. Now, this is the required answer for arranging the population from smaller to greater. Okay, this is our required answer. Okay. Now, you see the last question. Answer which city has the largest population. You see, among the population, which population is the greatest? You see, 45,89,476. This is the greatest population. So we observe that the largest population, 45,89,476, is in city A. And the smallest population, you see, among the population, which one is the smallest? Obviously, this is, that means 3,71,993. And this is the smallest population. Okay, this is the smallest population. And where is the lowest population? Answer, name of this city in A. In city A, the lowest population. So I have written, look, the smallest population 3,71,993 is in city A. You see, this is in city A. And largest population is 45,89,476 is in city D. You see, this is the greatest population among the population. Yes, student, now I want to talk with you about our SW topic. You see, SW topic is MB page 18, MB page 18, question number 3. Okay, MB page 18, question number 3. Dear student, your assigned SW is very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your SW copy, you will get your SBA marks. Okay, dear student, you have to submit all of your SW copies on every Saturday within 8 AM to 4 PM, and you collect these SW copies on next Saturday. Yes, no more today. You have to keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.